Artificial intelligence is reshaping how we work, create, and generate income. Right now, AI isn't just for tech professionals. It's an open door for anyone eager to tap into its potential. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash or build a full-time business, AI can streamline tasks, boost efficiency, and help you scale faster than ever before. Today, I'll share 10 AI-powered side hustles you can start immediately to make money in 2025. One, AI consulting for businesses. Many companies are eager to use AI but don't know where to start. If you stay updated on AI trends and tools, you can offer AI consulting services to help businesses integrate AI solutions into their operations, from automation to marketing and customer service. Two, AI-powered social media management. AI tools like Buffer AI and Okoya help businesses plan, schedule, and automate their social media content. If you enjoy social media marketing, you can offer AI-powered social media management services and help brands grow their online presence efficiently. Three, AI-generated ebooks and digital courses. If you have expertise in a subject, AI can assist in writing ebooks or creating online courses quickly. Instead of spending months writing, AI tools can help generate structured content that you can sell on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or Udemy for passive income. Four, AI-powered resume and cover letter writing. Many job seekers struggle to create professional resumes and cover letters. AI-driven writing tools can generate well-structured, compelling job applications in minutes. You can start a resume writing service online and help people land their dream jobs while making a steady income. Five, AI chatbot development. Businesses are integrating AI chatbots to handle customer inquiries, automate bookings, and improve engagement. Platforms like ChatFuel and ManyChat allow you to develop and customize chatbots without coding experience. You can offer chatbot creation services to companies looking to automate their customer support. Six, selling AI-generated stock images. AI art generators can create unique, high-quality visuals that you can sell as stock images on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Etsy. The demand for AI-generated artwork is increasing, making this a great way to earn passive income. Seven, AI graphic and logo design. You don't need to be a professional designer to create high-quality visuals. AI tools like Midjourney and Canva AI enable you to design eye-catching logos, social media graphics, and promotional materials effortlessly. Many businesses need branding assets, and with AI, you can deliver stunning designs quickly. Eight, AI voiceover services. AI-powered voice generators such as 11 Labs allow you to create natural-sounding voiceovers for videos, audiobooks, and advertisements. You can sell these services to content creators, companies, or even build a YouTube automation channel that uses AI-generated narration. Nine, AI video editing. Video content is growing rapidly, and AI-powered tools like Runway ML and Descript make editing simple. You can remove backgrounds, improve video quality, and generate professional-looking content without advanced editing skills. Offer AI-assisted editing services to YouTubers, influencers, and brands that need fast, polished videos. 10, AI copywriting services. Businesses need engaging and high-quality content, and AI writing tools like ChatGPT can generate marketing copy, blog posts, product descriptions, and emails within minutes. If you have a knack for editing and refining AI-generated text, you can offer writing services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and start earning right away. The world of AI is evolving fast, and those who take advantage of it now will be ahead of the game. Whether you want to start small with a side hustle or build a full-time business, AI can help you work smarter, earn faster, and scale bigger than ever before. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert. Just take action and start leveraging AI today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future money-making strategies. Let me know in the comments which AI side hustle you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.